Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plnt, Plant Identifier and Care app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plnt is an AI-powered plant identification and care app designed to help users quickly identify plants by photo and provide detailed care instructions. The app features an extensive plant database and uses advanced image recognition technology to deliver accurate results. It offers personalized tips on watering, sunlight, fertilizing, and pest control, along with reminders and a care calendar to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Plnt's user-friendly interface and fast identification capabilities. The detailed care guides and timely reminders make it easier for beginners and experienced gardeners alike to maintain their plants. The app's ability to recognize a wide variety of plants adds to its appeal for plant enthusiasts. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional misidentifications or the need for manual input to improve accuracy. The free version provides good functionality, but accessing all premium care features and advanced tools requires a subscription, which may not suit casual users. In summary, the Plnt app may be worth using if you want a reliable, AI-driven plant identification tool combined with practical care guidance to support your gardening efforts. However, if you need more advanced botanical information or prefer fully free apps, this might not be the perfect fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.